Hello and welcome back to another video, and this is an in the post video, and it's in the post number 73, I think. It's 73, yes, no it isn't, it's 72, in the post number 72. First of all, as with every other video of the in the post, I will show you if there are a couple of different stamps that were sent to me. Nothing spectacular, but they are nice, slightly different ones. And that is a full bag and the second bag, and it's rapidly getting full of postage stamps that sent to me when they were sending me stuff. First thing, a bit of general housekeeping. My rulers that I had, plastic and wooden ones, were getting a bit worse for wear, so I've replaced them with two plastic ones, of which this is one of them, and one of the wooden ones, of which I got two. So I've got two of each, and they will go in my various go into my different bags that I have for my what do they call them? My stationery stuff. I went online and I found some first aid covers that I was missing, and some of these will tie into stamp stuff that I got. This one is the British Museum. We then have Queen Elizabeth II. I've got Queen Elizabeth, the Queen Mother. I have some coins of her, so that will link to that one. We then have some soldiers stuff. We then have the Queen's Beasts. Well, we're due another Tudor Beast in the near future, so slightly different, but 2, 3, 4. This is 5 of the Queen's Beasts, so it's about half the actual amount. One of my favourite storytellers, and one that has been, at the last count, wasn't allowed to have a coin because of her political views, which were very much the views of prevailing at that time, but the Royal Mint and the, what do they call them, the idiot people who are very much in the ascendancy, the ones who say they're not politically correct, so therefore they're not getting a coin. I will probably, when I take a look at this cover, dig out the 50p Sherlock Holmes. This one I am looking at getting. I do have some Charles I and Charles II coins, and if I look at those, then I can include this one, which is the Civil War. And finally, we do have a dinosaurs, and I still have the Diplodocus to do, and I think I've already done the Stegosaurus. So when I do the Diplodocus coins, I have the stamps as well for them. I'm not sure if there is a Diplodocus on there actually. That one may well be a Diplodocus. So there's some more first aid covers coming up, and I will, where I can, I'll be adding them and doing them with the appropriate coins. Talking of appropriate coins, I've cheated myself. I've wanted one of these for a while, and I managed to find one. I was hoping to get the coin by itself, but I wasn't able to, so I bought the BU packs. This is a BU Magna Carta. The coin is quite well known, but the reason I got this compared to the one I have in my date run is that this one is the 4th portrait of the Queen, which is the Ian Rank Broadley portrait. The one that went into circulation, of course, was the JC portrait. So I now have both portraits of this coin, which is why I bought that particular bunk pack. It's, as I say, I've been after it for a while, and in that set, which was, I think it was 2015, there are 2 or 3 where the coin that went into circulation was the JC coin, and the one that was in the annual pack was A. Rank Broadley version. So I've still got a couple more to collect. I do have a sports coin collection, and I've managed to get hold of three of the coins I need to complete that sports coin. All 3 of them are Commonwealth Games, which was Northern Ireland, Wales and Scotland. So I now have 3 more coins to go into that set. I'm just looking at that set, and I think I have one more this year, which will be the Paris Olympic Team GB. I don't know if I'm another coin missing. I will have to do a complete check, but I've got all 3 of those, so I had to get those off eBay. I think the most expensive one, of course, being the Northern Ireland. It took me a while to find that one at the right price for myself. In the post, we showed you the coloured bunk coin, Cooper nickel coin. This is the winged keys, the Harry Potter coin. I do have 3 of them. 2 of them will go in. One will go into my blue card set, my change checker card set. The third one will go into there. One will go into the worst one of them. In the worst packaging, will be cut out and put into my date run. What will happen with the third one, unsure as yet. May use it as a giveaway, may not. Right, what else do we have? In the post, I think it was, I showed you a banknote with Mount Fuji on it to help with that series, which is a banknotes and coins. I've got a coin here with Mount Fuji on, which will be part of that video. I have a 1 lei coin from Bulgaria, so it's a 1 lei coin anyway, and it features a bull's head. I was looking for some animal coins and I came across that one. I did. So that will be shown as possibly as a set of coins, or some of the coins from that region. Next, I have 2 Guernsey cows. They're 10-piece, I think, from 1970 and 71. I do have the 72 version. These were extremely low minted coins, both the 70 and 71. I think one was 600,000 and the other one was a little less than that. So I'll be doing those as a video. Oh yeah. I couldn't resist this when I saw them online on eBay. I just couldn't resist them, and they were sent to me like this. I have, I think it's 3 3p's, silver 30 bits, and the silver 6pence or shilling. I think it's 6pence actually, silver 6pence. All 0.5 silver. UK George V. I think they're all George V or Edward VIII and George V. So that'll be a separate video in its own right. I have another Vatican City coin for another Pope, which again will be a separate video. I have a token here which I need to find out some more information about. It's a Duke of York token from, I think it was just before the 1800s. So it had been George the Third, George II, George III period. This will be shown in a lot more detail in the video. And finally, in this video, something that I didn't think I'd ever see in my collection because I've never been able to find any. But there is a half-p, a penny and a 2p coin. And if I turn them over, 1, 2, and 3, they're all clipped planchette coins from 1971. So this is the first year of decimalisation. These coins are all ones where the actual coin has been clipped during the process of stamping. Again, I saw them online and I hummed and hawed about it for a couple of days before finally pulling the trigger. So I'll have those to show you in greater detail when I do the video. So I have now, this is the third in the post I've done in a row. I recorded all on the same day, which is April 12th. I have a lot of work to do. I'm still catching up with all my previous in the posts that I've done. I have a plethora of coins and stuff to video, and I have probably about 35 videos actually recorded, just waiting for editing and uploading. So I'll be around for a few more months yet with all these videos. I hope you've enjoyed this one, and if it has, could you please give me the thumbs up? It doesn't cost you anything. Also, if you've not yet subscribed, could you please think about doing so? Again, this won't cost you anything. Hopefully I've done enough to persuade you, if you haven't already done so, to subscribe to the channel. If you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you're buying coins, then I hope you find the coins you want for the price you want to pay. Lastly, thank you for watching and staying until the end. I do minimum of 5 videos a week, normally 6. Hopefully you can find something that you enjoy. And until we do meet up again, from me, thank you for watching and bye bye. Ta-da now.